Hello, this is Eric at Print Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XL or STX trim and powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. Looking brand new inside and out, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the box or bed of the truck. And looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 that is pretty comfortable, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet and a USB and USB-C down here, I believe, which is what that is. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls to cycle through information here in the middle, such as a digital speedometer, your trip 1 information, can also go to your trip 2, your driver assistance, status, your fuel economy, and your comm screen. And then on the left you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side of both. And moving on to the center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your actual features screen, where you have your driver assistance features, towing information, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. You also have your other camera view if you're not in reverse at the current moment, and then you have your hazards and traction control shut off. And then moving down from your screen you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. And to the left of that you have your trailer brake controller with your 4x4 controls and locking rear differential and drive mode selector for things such as normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. Then you can go to the other side for tow haul, eco, and sport modes. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit. And on the right you have a 12 volt and a USB and USB-C there, as well as this button to open up the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And then down here you have a pretty big cubby with a USB and USB-C, as well as a slot for your phone while it is charging. And then you have 2 cup holders and some cubbies for storage. And then you have your center compartment / armrest here, which is lockable, as you can see, and has a removable tray and a ton of room inside for all of your stuff, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there as well. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.